Hey, good morning everyone. 9 o'clock here in the UK. So for today I'm watching DAX after we had this sharp drop on Friday, and we're already seeing this retracement early morning here. I have it bearish on my 1 hour time frame and the 15 minutes time frame, which I'm watching for intraday setups, and we also see a retracement, which is something that I was looking into it for the price to retrace to this order block or this 15 minutes order block. Now that the price hit it, I'm switching to the 1 minute time frame, and I'm looking for a shift in the market structure. What that means is that in this occasion, this is the last high, this is the last low. I'm looking for this low to be taken out and the candle to actually close below this low. If this happens, I'm gonna look for a small retracement on the 1 minute time frame and this time frame, and short it to the maximum here, take the profits in this area. So that's the plan for today. Right now I'm watching it. I'm doing nothing until I see a shift in the market structure. So I'm gonna keep you posted. Take care for now. Right, so I decided to go in short right now with a small position, considering we have a double top here. I'm not waiting for the shift in market to happen. So I'm entering right now, but with a small position. Only 15. Only risking $50 on this occasion, so it's a quarter of position. I'm looking to add if this one works out. If we see the shift in market, I'm looking to add to this position. If not, we're gonna have a quick stop out. As you can see, it's live on my live Pepperstone account. So yeah, keep you posted. Well, it looks like maybe I'm gonna be stop out on this trade. It was very aggressive. That's why it is very aggressive. That's why I only use quarter of my risk position. So yeah, let's see what's happened with this one. If I'm gonna be stopped out on this one, I'm not gonna enter in another one until I see a shift in market structure in this area, if that happens. Alright then, let's see. Oh, maybe not, who knows. I'm gonna keep you posted. Alright, it looks like I'm gonna get stopped out, so let's watch it in real time. If I'm gonna get stopped out, I'm gonna keep watching it and enter back only if I see a shift in the market structure in this area, like over this area somewhere. If not, I'm just gonna keep watching it. Euro doesn't do much. I'm keeping an eye on this 15 and 30 minutes order block. If I get a retrace here, I'm gonna keep watching it for a shift in the market structure again to short it. And cable was, I was watching this order block, but it is too close, so I didn't like it. Most likely this order block is more of an interest area for a shift in the market. Let's see what happened here. So we got a shift in the market just here, and we got an order block on this area, but I don't like it's too close to the bottom, what I'm trying to say. So I'm not gonna do anything with cable. euro as well. As we can see, both of them, most of them. Okay, looks like I've been stopped out. Yes, on the DAX trade. Count summary. What is history? Yes, minus 46. That's it. Well, it was an aggressive trade. I took just quarter of the risk. That's why I took it with a quarter of the original risk. Now let's watch it and see what happens during the day. Keep you posted. All right, so as an update, I'm still watching this DAX. Doesn't look like he wants to do a shift in market structure right now. Still going higher highs. Although this area, I'm watching it, it is a nice area for a market swift. Yes, considering that we are in a 15 minutes order block, also prior highs, and if we check the 1 minute hour, we had a 1 hour fair value gap here that got filled, and we are just over the 50% of this week from the fair value gap. So overall, I like this area for another short if I see a shift in the market, but not doing anything until I see something. Right now, this is the latest high that got broken. This is the latest low, so I'm looking for this low to be taken out and go short on a retrace. But I keep watching it, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm watching this area on DAX again. As you know, it's the 15 minutes order block that I'm watching. Looks nice for a short. If we have a shift in the market and small retrace, I'm gonna try to get on a short side, maybe with a take profit in this area right now. But let's see what happens. Yeah, that will be something like this. Probably if I got an order block over here in this area, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. That's the plan right now. Let's see what happens. Still watching it. It's 10:30 in the UK. If nothing happens in the next half an hour or so after 11, I'm not gonna track it anymore because it's out of my time frame, 8 to 11, and I'm gonna come back on the New York session, which starts 1 o'clock. Alright, I'm gonna keep you updated. Right, I'm gonna place a sell limit over here in this area if the price comes back, risking 100 with a stop loss over this high. Let's see if I'm gonna get filled. Okay, 100. The reason being, we got a fair value gap here, which looks like it held the price. We also have a fair value gap here and here on the price coming down. Also got a nice risk to reward, probably 4 or 5 on this trade if I'm getting filled in. If not, and we're gonna see a shift in the market. Probably, yeah, I'm gonna leave the same order because we got an order block here, so it's gonna be the same order. Let's see what happens. Alright, so my pending on order just got filled. Let's see what happens now. I'm looking for the price to retrace back to this order block, or for me to run it maximum here with a 1 to 5 if the price gonna come back. Alright, so far so good. Looks like the price just hit my limit order and came straight down. Breaking structure will be nice. It did happen, but a small one. Oh, if it's gonna hold it like this, it's great. Yeah, so we got a shift in the market right now. Not bad. Let's see. I'm gonna keep you posted. Alright, so it looks like this trade went my way for a bit, like 1 to 1, and after that retraced all the way back to stop me out. Now I could have another setup here, but I don't like timing. It's after my 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. So London, I got 2 small trades, 2 small losses. I'm gonna leave it like this and see if anything, any setups, if the market gives me any setups in the New York session from 1 o'clock. Take care for now. Well, yeah, so that's why it's very important to manage your risk to reward ratio and everything. As you can see, it is possible to come way down from here, but yes, maybe I've been just a bit unlucky. But with the timing right now, I don't want to go into another trade after 11 o'clock. So take care for now. Right, so I like this fair value gap, so I'm gonna enter with a small trade, small risk trade. What's up everyone? So New York session started 45 minutes ago. Euro actually shifted into a bullish mode on 1 hour 15 minutes, so I'm looking to buy on a retracement. Let's see, we got an aggressive one here. I'm gonna place a buy order. Alright, buy limit, say 1560, 1570. With a stop loss, we say 0.566. Risking 100 on this one. If it comes back before hitting the 30 minutes order block, or right, so let's place a trade, a limit order, pending order on my 5-hour account as well. So going long, pending long. Right. Okay, so now we wait. See if we're gonna get filled or not. As an update on my DAX trade, wasn't the perfect one. For me, a bit upset with my trading decisions on these ones. I kept going short here with a small amount, and after that I got nicked out and went here again, and this one was stopped at break even, and I gave up on DAX today. I can't read it very well, and it's 1 o'clock, so I'm switching to Euro because yeah, New York session, it's in. I'm gonna switch my attention to Euro and S&P and Nasdaq at 2:30. But for now, switching my attention on Euro. How I said, bullish on 1 hour time frame already, bullish, and has a break of structure again on 15 minutes. So I'm waiting for a retracement to buy, go long, keep you updated. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to cancel this buy limit because the price reached already my target, so the half an hour order block, so it's no point now. It was a bit too fast, and yes, that's the 1 hour, and we got a 1 hour order block. Yeah, so that's the price I wanted to, the zone I wanted the price to go, but it didn't give me an entry on the buy side. I'm not sure I want to trade now on this short side because it's too steep. So I'm probably gonna wait New York Stock Exchange to open and see if I can find any trades on Nasdaq or S&P. That's it for now. If not, I'm gonna finish the day with a minus 300, which is like 1.5 R from my daily risk, which is 200, so it's like 1.5 trades. Not very bad. I wasn't happy with my trading with DAX. I pushed it here, which I really should have not pushed it. It's out of my trading hours. Right now though, it came in the 30 minutes order block that I was expecting also. I talked about in the morning. I'm not sure. Let's see how the price reacts, but it has done like a small, like an ugly shift in structure. Maybe I'm gonna give it another try if it comes back to this order block with a small amount, but depends if I like the price action or not. Right, so I'm switching my attention now to Nasdaq. As we can see, on Friday it hit this order block, last one, and it's reacting. Right, 1 hour is still bearish, but the lower time frame, 5 minutes and 15 minutes are bullish right now. So I'm looking for actually a position to buy it and run it up to the 1 hour order block. If this one doesn't get hit first, if it does get hit first, I'm gonna cancel the order again, like Euro. So I got a position here where price can come retrace back to and make a switch, market switch, and run it up to here. And I got another zone that I'm looking for over here. So yeah, both to run it up to there. Risk to reward, it's good. On this one, can make it a 4. Yeah. And this one is even better, but I don't think it will retrace this much. You never know. If it's gonna retrace this much, you can have a larger stop loss and still make it a 1-2, easily 1-5. So let's see what the market gonna give us, if it's gonna give us anything. If it's going straight to this order, 1 hour order block, I'm not gonna do anything. So yeah, let's watch it. Right, so I'm gonna place a buy limit over here because I have to leave the house for an hour or so. So I'm not gonna be here to see if the price does a shift in market or not structure. And yeah, I want to get in if it's just retracing and bouncing back. The risk to reward is still good. And yes, I'm gonna do a buy limit around 12.48 with a stop loss of 12.019. Where is it? 12.019. Sorry, buy limit 12.019, 12.38. 100 is 19. Yes, I can put it here. Alright, that's it. Yeah. Let's see what DAX is doing. He's doing what I wanted to do in the morning. It hit the last 30 minutes order block, and it's retracing now heavily a bit. I couldn't get in, so on this market shift I didn't get any retracement, and on this one I didn't feel that I have a good risk to reward to this low. It was kind of, but I opted not to take this order block, which looking backwards would have gave me a 1-to-4 risk ratio, but I didn't take it, so it is what it is. Today I'm not in sync with DAX at all, although I was watching it all day. So let's see what this Nasdaq is doing. Alright, then talk later. Alright, so just came back in the office and I had to cancel the pending orders. Nasdaq just hit my 1 hour order block before retracement, and now it has a bearish sentiment on 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So I had to cancel those orders. The market really makes me work today. Germany, of course, I couldn't get in. Such a nice retracement after hitting the 30 minutes order block. The only possibility to get in would have been this one. I consider it too aggressive at that moment. Obviously would have been a nice move. Would have got me well into profit today. I didn't take it, so I'm gonna still check this Nasdaq. Now on the short side with 2 pending orders over here and over here. Alright, so I placed the sell limits over this order block, also on my founded account. So let's see what's happening. Is it retracing or is it not retracing to this area? Keep you posted. Right, I place a sell limit order on DAX as well, just in case the Nasdaq one doesn't get filled. We'll see now what happens. Keep you posted. Feels like the market is running away from me today. Even though I know I was looking into the right direction, I couldn't get in the afternoon. So I'm gonna keep these pending orders for another hour. But for me, 6 o'clock UK time, will be the maximum that I'm looking for a trade. Germany, DAX 2 included. This one again did exactly what I was hoping it was to do, but I couldn't get in on when it touched this order block. So it is what it is. Instead of a could have been a nice profitable day, looks like it's gonna be a moderate loss, but we'll see. I'm gonna keep this order for another hour or so and keep you posted. Take care. Alright, the last update for today. So nothing happened in the last 2 hours. Same here, and I cancel the orders. Let's cancel this one, and that's it for today. Where is it? My personal account. So PNL for today is minus 292. Could have been a good day, but I couldn't get in this move. No retracement, and obviously nothing here. And this was the only opportunity, this order block after the retracement, this one. But because I've been aggressive a couple of times when I should have not been, I didn't take another aggressive trade. So yeah, it is what it is for today. It is as real as it gets, guys. So I tried the market the whole day. Both of my views on the market were exactly what the market did. Hit the order block and retrace. This one I wanted to catch before it hit the order block. I couldn't. I didn't catch it after it hit the order block because it went very fast down. It was a couple of news today with goods, homes and sales and stuff that affected this move up and down. Overall, a small loss, 1.5 hours of a day. We'll see what tomorrow brings us. Cheers, thank you.